Welcome guys. Let's see why we need Flutter. If you are interested in developing apps and don't know to learn which language, for Android or for iOS, then choose Flutter to code for both simultaneously. Here, my IDE is Android Studio. You can also use VSC. Let's start with installation and setup. If you don't have Android Studio, download using the link below. Next, use the link below to install Flutter. Copy the code given. Before running this code, we need a new source folder. Name it as src. Open your command prompt and change the directory to src folder. Now paste the code we have copied. As I have already installed Flutter, this shows that Flutter already exists. It would take some time for the Flutter to install. After installing, run flutter doctor -v in command prompt. Here, you can see that Flutter was installed, but its plugin was not installed. Now, let's open the Android Studio. Click Configure, then click Plugins. Now search for Dart and install it. Click Restart to activate the plugin. Then, again go to Plugin and install Flutter plugins. You should restart after installing any plugin. The next plugin to be installed is Android APK support. Now, we need emulator to check the app without any external devices. Click Create Virtual Device to set up. Here, you can see a list of devices were available. And I'm choosing Nexus 6. It will take some time if you are creating for the first time. Here, you can see the name and the version of the Android device. You can change the name of the device here. Here, you can see that our emulator device is listed here. Now, click Start a new Flutter project. Our need is Flutter application. Select it and click Next. Let's give the package name as my_apps. This is the location of the Flutter SDK file. Select the location where you want to store your project. Type your description here. For Android Kotlin is used, and for iOS Swift is used. Click Finish. These are the files inside the Flutter project. This is the project name we have given. Within Android the files to run in Android devices will be there. And, same as for iOS. Let's discuss more about the files and the widgets used in this project in the upcoming tutorial.